Okay, so welcome back everybody. Let's talk about pDRIP today and what's happening with them. They coming up with tDRIP, all right? So they're introducing Treasury DRIP, all right? The token just launched few hours ago. What's mean you can go and buy there. Also guys, listen, very important. These guys are never stopping. Well done to the team. Well done to everybody there. They had pDRIP, okay, what has been doing amazing. Then they brought bonds where you can go and stake, and now they're coming with the treasury right here on Ethereum. Okay, I know it's a lot of fees, but here, listen, hear me out. It's going to help pDRIP a lot in the long run. Okay, so everybody know TITANx, all right? So a lot of people know TITANx, and it's very hot. It has been hot for the last several weeks, couple of months time. Now, these guys, what they're doing is very similar, but this is a little bit extra in their ecosystem. Now, before we go anywhere, if you decide to trade with up to 100% leverage with no KYC, all right? So I find amazing exchange. It's called Margex Exchange, no KYC. Make sure you follow your regulation in your country. Go and sign up. You just need email and you're ready to go up to 100 times leverage. Okay, be careful. That's too risky. I lost a few times, so couple of leverage is good play for me, but no more than 10. Everything else I'm just gambling. Okay, so let's go back to pDRIP. Okay, so if you go to their white paper, right, go to the treasury and go and read the white paper, you will see they have the faucet, H2O, the garden, aquabase. These guys just bringing more and more into the ecosystem. They are maybe one of the best, maybe in the first 3 dApps ecosystem in Pulse chain, because they love Pulse chain. They're also old drippers from the DRIP ecosystem, and that's why they're having so much hype for their own token, the first ROI dApp on pDRIP on Pulse chain. Now, what is tDRIP? So this is the treasury bill. Okay, so this is on Ethereum. You could go and buy right now on Uniswap or in their exchange. Okay, you can go there when you go to swap right here, you can go and buy from right here. Now, if you want, what you can do is, so this is the tokenomics, that's the price. It was fair launch, no tokens for anybody, no tokens for the team. It was just fair launch, straight up, just like that. So the thing is, you can buy the token and hold it, but the best thing here is you can mint T bills. Okay, so to mint T bills, you need to deposit Ethereum. Okay, how much Ethereum? Wherever you want. More you deposit, for longer you stake, basically you get that bill, more APR you're going to get. And we're going to come there right here, how much you're going to earn. Now, it's very important to know that if you deposit less than 1 Ethereum, you get 10% fee, because they're using the fee to go back to the Pulse token. Okay, so that's what make this unique. They don't take the team for them, they bringing back to the ecosystem to help the old projects for more sustainability. Now, if you add more than 1 Ethereum or more, you do not have the fee. This fee is waived, is gracefully waived. Okay, gracefully. There we go. It's so hard to pronounce sometimes English. And before we go anywhere, just big disclaimer, make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is not financial advice. I'm not giving you any advice. Please understand, you can lose all your money. This is crypto and it's extremely risky. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so let's go. So this was the beautiful here. So 10% from the fee, let me just see, yeah, you can hear me. 10% from the fee from all Ethereum deposit, okay? They're going to bridge into Pulse, okay, for the Pulse chain network, contributing for the purchase of H2O bonds. 20% of the Ethereum deposit are going to buy and pair liquidity for tDRIP, okay, for the trading ecosystem, and the remaining 70% funds, they're going to find a way to buy and burn pool, fostering scarcity and bolstering the tDRIP ecosystem, okay. Also, what is unique about the T bills, okay, well, they are, you can transfer them and you can trade them as NFT. That's what make them unique. Okay, so they went step further. So to give you an example here, imagine you stake T-bill for 6 months and it's mature within 3 months remaining. You have the option to sell the T-bill at a discount. The buyer can then enjoy the rewards once the remaining 3 months elapse. All right, this is pretty unique. Now, this is how I see. Actually, I'll give you my opinion at the end. So right here you will see if you deposit $1,000 you have 150% APR. Okay, I think you can deposit as much as you want, of course, but because it's Ethereum, it's worth to deposit a little bit more because of the fees. Now, APR is 150% for 4 weeks, so you're going to get around estimate $1,500 back. If you deposit for 10 weeks, 180%. If you deposit for 1 year, you get 400%. Okay, now if you deposit more and more and more. So also, if you go back down here, the community bank, they're going to have buy and burn. Okay, so what they're going to do is they're going to get buy and burn function. Okay, and what is going to benefit not just community, but also is going to play for the tDRIP long-term sustainability. Okay, you can read here everything. I don't want to keep this video too long. If you go right here for the main website, all right, you go here to the Treasury, make sure you have Ethereum. Okay, you need Ethereum on Ethereum chain, and right here what you need to do, you need to create a T-bill. Okay, you need to create right here. Now, how you create that? Okay, how you create the Treasury bills, you go here, you pick up how many weeks you want, how much Ethereum. Let's say you want to put 1, you're going to put 52 weeks, or up from 4 weeks up to 52 weeks, and you will see how much percentage you're going to get earned. Okay, let me just move this one. Actually, there we go, right here. So you go up to 50 weeks, 52 weeks from 4 weeks. Okay, so that's how it's working. The link will be here. It's no referral links. This is not paid brand promotion. I like this guy, so that's why I'm supporting them. Now, according to me, if this blow up similar to TITANx, this can be a secret gem right now. And this is the price chart. You will see it's launched today. It was 0001, wherever they say, blow up right all the way there, like 10x I think did, and now of course have some correction, and this is just started few hours ago. Again, is it too early, is it too late? I don't know, the time will show. I guess the best benefits if you do a Treasury bill and you know, just do it for a few weeks. Again, not financial advice, do whatever you want and see what can happen. Again, if this blow up like TITANx, this can be a banger. All right, thank you so much. God bless all of you. Till the next one. Goodbye.